Putting away the groceries may seem like a no-brainer, but storing everything correctly in the fridge can help your food stay fresher. For example, did you know that some veggies won't last long stored next to the same fruit? This video show you how to properly store your food in the fridge and give you the lowdown on what to put where so that your preparation don't spoil.
Hi everyone, today I will show you how to properly clean the refrigerator. First, we have to turn off the electricity power to the fruit. And second, we have to remove all the fruits and vegetables that are not going to be used.
Make sure the refrigerator is clean and empty before using it again for storing the food.
Third, we're going to separate the unused vegetables or fruits, then throw away that is not going to be used. This prevents overcrowding and increase air circulation in the refrigerator. Next step is we need to cover the food to protect from drippings, odors, or from drying out.
Open the refrigerator door when only necessary. Then keep a daily check temperature to know that is correct. Then that is the last tip of how